Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another channel. Today's channel, it's morphing time with the minigun. Now, yeah, I know I've been gone for a while, so yeah, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be gone for a while because, hey, I was doing something. If I'm being honest with you, I was doing something. Okay. I was doing something. Like, I was taking Spanish class, alright? I have Spanish class. Like, literally have Spanish class. Who's that? I see you right there, bro. Don't act like you're Don't act like you're slick. Oh, don't act like you... Oh, don't act like you slick! You got him? Oh my god, I thought it was a fucking real player. He was like, Gana mia, leave him loose. Like, hold on. Like, hold on. I don't want to. Whoa. Like, get F off. Like, somewhere. There you go. There you go. What do I have now? Another pistol. Yes. Oh my god. Ow. Ow. Ow! Oh, it hurts, dude. Wee. Let's go. Who dares to fuck with me? All right, what you got? What you got? Ooh. What you got? Of course, bro. Yeah, keep smacking me, brother. Hey, hey, guess what? I got a surprise for you. Bitch ass mother. Oh my god, bro. Where'd you go? Oh my god, my aim, bro. What? Dumbass. E-girl looking ass motherfucking laying down and lay me on, nigga. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to. Alright, I'm black. I could say that, but like, not. That was in public, dude. No. Oh my god, no. No, I got my ass in 4K, dude. Hey, YouTube, please don't ban me, alright? I am half black and half white. I'm being dead ass honest, alright? On my mama and my auntie soul, bro. Like, I'm being dead ass serious, dude. Oh, that would be clean if I'd made that shot. Go, Power Rangers! But I'm being dead ass serious, dude. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Someone just shot me in the ass, bro. I was like, oh, my butt. Oh, ow. My ass, dude. What the fuck? How are you even shooting me that far, you faggot? Oh my god, and then he took it, bro. He took it, bro. Man. He took it. He kept the minigun. He let me take this motherfucker with me, bro. Alright. Put this down. Alright, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go to that roly poly. Oh shit! Oh shit! Shit! Oh. Go. What the fuck is that? What the fuck was that? That shit came in my face. What the fuck is that? Oh. I wanna know who the fuck was that. I wanna know what the fuck was that, bro. It just came out of nowhere and went straight at my face. Pause. But like dead ass, it went right in front of my face, and I was like, I can't even say anything, bro. Hey, who dropped here? Where are they landing at? Where are we landing at? Where are we landing at? Eyes up here. My God, I almost gonna die right there. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Footberry, footberry. Yes! Yes! Oh shit! Alright, what we got? Nothing. Fuck me. What we got? Nothing. Fuck me. What we got? Nothing again? The same thing. Fuck! Man. Wait. Oh. I'm tripping, though. The Hollow Twister is back. Yay! I missed them so much. Not that I not hate them, but like I miss them. Like I really do miss them. I know something. Oh my God. Oh my God. My Shayla. My Shayla. My Shayla. My Shayla. Shayla. My 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 Shayla. Shayla. My Shayla. My Shayla. Whoa. Weight of the water. Way with the water, children. That's a nice, excellent kill, bear. What was that? I don't know damn well. That nigga's. Bro, who fought it? I'm ready to have to get a beat down with the assholes right here. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna beat their ass down, bro. Oh, they're not real. Ah, poop. They're still fighting over here. Session's over, bro. This area's already constrained. How you? I'm tripping as hell, dude. Mama clad, bumma clad, it's a sapatama like the palakala, yo, the saya, the saya, yo. Oh my God, the troublemaker. Where is he? Where is he? I just went past. He just went past me, dude. I know I ain't tripping. I saw that dude. And he came out of nowhere. He said, "Hello, how you doing? ¿Cómo está?" Eh? Menda? Good, 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 good. Yeah, I've been taking a Spanish class. Yeah, type shit. Ladies, Latinas, hook your boy up. You feel me? You good, mud? But nah, oh my god, my baby girl, trouble. Yes. Oh, it's good to see you again, bro. Oh my god, my Shayla. Oh. It's good to see it again, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna knock the fuck out of them. They're just trying to test me who the fuck I am, bro. I'm gonna see who the Shogun himself. The Shogun himself. Yeah, boy. The Shogun himself, bro. Not the Shogun himself, but like the ankle breaker himself. That's what I'm trying to say. If I would say, where would the people be? Because I honestly don't know where the people are. Like, truly, I don't know where they are. I'd rather just drop this down, take this. Hey man, you can take that. I'm saying that so far it's pretty good when you gravel, but at the same time when you like finding it somewhere, oh, you're gonna be dead. They're gonna shoot your ass all the way on top. They're gonna shoot your ass like literally diagonal, like literally just spam the f out of you, dude. Like literally just spam the spam the f out of you, dude. Yeah, turn your ass around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's game time. Oh yeah, it's game time. It's go time. Yep. Good luck with that shit, bro. Hope you had to say cardiac arrest, man. Yo, airstrike that motherfucker. Airstrike that motherfucker, bro. Airstrike. That's what I'm trying to say. Airstrike that motherfucker. That motherfucker's like, oh shit, Good night. Yeah, baby. That's what's up. Did he run away? Oh, he's still here. Why am I area? Never mind. Oh my god. God. They're still playing that corny ass shit, bro. Stop playing that demon domain. Daigo is not returning his ass to me. He already got shot his ass all the way back into the mountain from Fujiwin, Mount Everest, from the tentacle, bro. You don't need to bring that shit up, bro. Like, honestly, you don't need to bring that music up because he's gonna get revenge and all that type of shit stuff, bro. Nah. Oh. I heard them. Yep, I heard them. Yep, I heard them already. Oh, that's one person right there. Damn, that's a good smooth right there. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, watch your jet. Oh my god. Hey, I got something for you. That's what I said. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, shit. Oh, god. Damn. She's fucking quick. She's quick as fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Reload. Oh! Oh, nigga! God on, my nigga. I'm black, I can say that, and that nigga just got shitted on by that 13-year-old bumbleclot himself. Get out the game, you play the goddamn Roblox, and what you're looking at, motherfucker. Looking at motherfucker, bro. Hey, if there's no capital on that shit, hey, this one has to be the goated, bro. This one has to be the goated. I'm leaving this shit right here, bro. Where it was, cause that dumbass bro just got spit on. Yes, sir. This nigga spitting. This nigga spitting. I can't believe I smacked his. I just smack him back when he tell his dad saying, "This I'm gonna teach you a lesson, son. You never fuck with somebody else, all right? If they're stronger than you, I suggest you surrender right now." And he's like, "Nah, I got this." And all of a sudden, he just get smack him in the fuck. And I'm going down. Not right. What's going on? Come on now. Just going down. Hello. I'm here. I know you're here, dude. You're the one who shot me. Aren't you gonna face me like a fucking retarded ass, or you just gonna like be like a coward? Cause that's what people do. Just be a coward. I'm just gonna drive my car around, and then all of a sudden the gas is gonna cut out. So, 3, 2, 1, and boom. All right, get ready, Logan. It's the final countdown, bro. I don't know where he is, but I better be ready for him. Cause once he comes over here, you about to run from my fade, dude. I'm ready for him. Trouble. Make my day go great, cause I'm ready to get the fucking smoke. Excuse my language, but I have to say that. It's my rules, it's my guess. It's my it's my book. Repair. Shall we shoot it? Oh. This is putting it out so in case somebody just shoot it. Where is he? Man, I wish the medallions. I wish the medallions were here. Why can they not be gone? I feel like that dude just. I swear, this dude come out of nowhere saying, "Hello." He'd be like, "Hi, my name is Chucky. Wanna play?" I'm like, man, boy, if you don't get your looking ass out of my face, bro. Alright. I'm right here. He's gotta be somewhere. Like, there's no possible way he's hiding. I hate when you had to pull that shit up, you fucking demon domain. Where is he? Show yourself, you coward. I mean, what's the point? I don't even see him. Like, this dude is hiding from me. Like, what's the point? I don't even see him. Not an inch. Not a damn dime, bro. Not a damn dime. I don't even see this sucker at. I might just well just be Batman for the sake of my life, bro. I honestly don't know, bro. can't be down there because I know for sure he's gonna be fucking retarded ass getting beat down now. But where is he, dude? Oh shit, I hear him. Hold on. You ain't slick. No, I'm gonna spike this dude down. Huh. Is he AI? Yeah, he is AI. What the fuck? Man, what the fuck? Full box. Full piece. Full box. Oh, oh. Explosion! Yeah! Yeah! Damn, Daniel! That's what we're talking about, bruh. That's what we're talking about. Damn, Daniel. I can't even edit that shit, bro. Like, it takes time. It's like, I know I have simple edits, but like, it helps me. Alright, y'all shouldn't need to try it. Because I posted that damn video, and y'all sucker did not respond to anything. So, it would be pressure if you gave me back the subscribers where it was. I'm tired as hell, bro. I'll do... Oh, that's it. Wow. Yo. Oh my god. Guys. I think I found a roly-poly. Look. Look at this. It's a roly-poly. I think I found it. Well, I'm just gonna let him... I'm gonna name him Terry. But yeah, he's still walking. He's just crawling around. So, yeah, Yeti. Yeah. Well, my cat wants me to get in the bed, so I'll see you tomorrow. And if you want anything, if you want anything, ever shop the Beavers and the Butthead. You support the Planet Marcoy, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Goodbye. Damn it! You want to say hi to them? Hold on. Before I end the video, this is my cat bootleg. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Alright. See you guys. Love y'all.